Whispers and fog mist, the aurora bends my mind. Crimson petals float, suspended in clouds' time. My eyes have been distracted by your beauty, your charm, your smile. A sweetness trapped me, a honeyed voice, a dream I chased for miles. Blind I wandered through luminous of thought. You, the Shirui Lily of my heart, the rarest bloom I saw. Your fragrance lingered in echoes of my desire. Yet trust, fragile as crystal, shattered 1,000 pieces untold. I kept you in the secret gardens of my mind, a blossom that only here could ever shine. The shadows of my desire, a duplicate, a mirage, a spark that fools the fire. How did my eyes not see your bloom when it first crossed my path? I reached for your love, yet fate twisted its wrath. Our Shirui Lily will always grow in my heart. Nowhere can hold you, yet everywhere feels your bloom. Ooh, yo, yeah, 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 yeah. Sweeping across neon fogs, auroras and shattered forms. My soul echoes, my heart trembles. Your petals swirl in quantum storms. I sought you in mirrored illusions, in gardens that never knew your scent. Shadows of your beauty mocked me, yet my heart remained bent. You were never lost, only secret, untamed, ethereal, a bloom that survives where only the sacred can feel. But finally I see you pierces like a knife. You are not my lily, you are not the Shirui Lily of my life. The petals I cherished, the fragrance I adored, are black as midnight, deception at their core. Ah, yeah. place, the bloom I sought, the rarest beauty. Finally I know the truth cuts like a rose in the dark. You are the black rose, a shadowed spark. Yet if you are Shirui Lily, you will always grow in my heart. You can't grow anywhere, yet you bloom everywhere. I trusted, I lost, yet cherished the memories part. Shirui Lily remains engraved within my heart. Ooh, yeah. No garden, no hand, no mimicry could replace the rarest lily blooming in my space. Oh, I release, I remember, I hold in grace. Shirui Lily, my heart, your beautiful place.